In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create your very first blog post on WordPress. First things first, go ahead and log into your WordPress account and open your dashboard. Once you're there, take a look at the left panel. You'll notice a tab labeled Posts. This is where you can manage all your blog content. Right now, we're going to click on Add New to start fresh with a brand new post. When you do that, you'll find yourself in the WordPress post editor. This is your creative playground. Let's kick things off with a title for your post. This should capture the essence of what you're writing about and draw readers in. Now, WordPress uses a block-based system for creating content, which means you can build your post piece by piece. You'll find different block types, such as paragraphs, images, headings, and lists, all accessible via the plus icon just below the title box. Let's try adding an image to make our post visually appealing. Click on the menu icon and choose Insert After, then hit that plus icon to add an image block. From here, you can either upload an image directly from your computer or pick one from your media library where all your previous uploads are stored. With your content coming together, remember to click Save Draft to ensure your hard work doesn't get lost. It's always a good idea to save regularly as you go along. Now, to help people discover your post, you'll want to add categories and tags that relate directly to your content. This is important for search engines like Google, which use this information to direct the right audience to your blog. Almost there, but let's not overlook setting a featured image. This is the main image that will greet visitors at the top of your blog post. You can upload a new one or select from your media library. Additionally, consider crafting a brief excerpt, essentially a summary that gives your readers and search engines a taste of what your post is about. Click Save Draft again to make sure everything is in place. Now you're at the exciting part. Your post is ready to go live. You can either preview it to see how it looks or publish it right away if you're satisfied. It's worth noting that the appearance of your content as seen in the editor will be shaped by your WordPress theme. WordPress starts you off with a basic theme, but should you desire a different aesthetic, simply head over to the Appearance section in your dashboard. Here, you'll have the option to browse through, install, and activate new themes that might better suit your vision for your site. If you're looking for even more customization, you might explore using a website builder like Elementor. With Elementor, you're able to design custom layouts or use their pre-designed template kits, which are not only beautiful, but quite easy to implement. In fact, they've recently introduced over 200 new template kits specifically designed for bloggers. And there you have it. You've just composed and tailored your first WordPress blog post. If you found this tutorial helpful, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel for more tips and guides on WordPress. Thank you for watching and happy blogging.